This creamy shrimp pasta took me just 15 minutes, but tastes like a $30 restaurant meal. If you love simple meals that taste expensive, you're in the right place. Okay, now let's cook our pasta until al dente. Some salt, and of course our pasta.
Every flavor tells the truth. From Cameroon roots so deep to the life I get to keep. Every story gently told. This is life.
Now also time to season our shrimp. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and some seasoning salt. We're keeping it simple, but the flavor, it's next level. Drizzle in my extra virgin olive oil. I'll let this marinate for another 10 to 15 minutes while I prep my other ingredients. Okay, guys, take a look at my pot. Do you love this pot here? This pot is given to me by Cooking with Cloudy. Shout out to you, Cooking with Cloudy, for all your help. I really do appreciate that. If you want to get this pot of any other color or size or the whole set or anything from this brand, it has a code you can use to get 10% off your purchase. Okay, let's sear our shrimp.
This is life, this is home. Rabia unfolded, where my world comes alive. African warmth in every bite, global flavor, real life, ready enfolded. Simple moments fully shown, from my hands to your heart. Welcome home.
So all we need here is high heat, a quick sear, and don't overcook your shrimps, please. Okay, take that off. So I'm gonna saute my onion. Garlic, use the same pan so all the flavors can stay right here. So I'm gonna pour in my evaporated milk. See, no cream, but watch this stay rich and creamy. Gonna add in a little bit of salt, some ground black pepper, and just a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese for that creaminess.
Every story gently told. This is life, this is home.
And this is where everything comes together.
Unfolded, where my world comes alive. African warmth in every bite, global flavor, real life, ready enfolded.
Simple ingredients done right.
Welcome home.
Thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes that taste expensive. It's so good. Thank you so very much for watching. And I'll see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers. Mm. Mm.